In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PayPal not letting you transfer money in 2025. Many of us rely on PayPal for seamless transactions, and encountering an issue when trying to transfer money can be frustrating. So let's dive into these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to PayPal's official website. Once there, locate the login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and proceed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your registered email address and password. Remember to double check your credentials to avoid login errors. After entering your information, click on the login button to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to double check that all your bank account and card details are accurate and up to date. PayPal relies heavily on this information for transactions, so any discrepancies could lead to transfer issues. Navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section, and from there click on Banks and Cards. This section will show you all the linked financial information. If you've made any changes recently to your bank account, it's important to ensure it's correctly linked to your PayPal account. You might need to re-link it to ensure that all information is synchronized. While you're in this section, also verify that none of your linked cards are expired, as this could also hinder transaction processes. Sometimes PayPal conducts security checks if unusual activity on your account is detected. This is to protect you from unauthorized access. If this is the case, you might be prompted to complete a security check to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided by PayPal carefully to pass this verification step. Another key factor is confirming your email address. Make sure the email associated with your PayPal account is current and confirmed. You can check your email inbox for any verification messages from PayPal and follow the steps to confirm your email if needed. If you have meticulously followed these steps and the issue persists, reaching out to PayPal support is advisable. They can offer specialized assistance tailored to your problem. You can contact them through their website, where you'll find various support options like live chat or phone. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to troubleshooting and resolving issues with transferring money via PayPal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with resolving your PayPal transfer woes.